right, let's look at two examples that require us to combine like terms. So anytime we have subtraction, we just want to go ahead and start by rewriting it as adding the opposite. So this will be rewritten as 4x plus negative 11x plus 2x. So hopefully you notice that all the terms are like terms in this example because they are all variable terms and they all have the same variable. So I'm going to regroup this in a different way than we usually do. Instead, I'm going to group positives first. I'm going to rewrite this as 4x plus 2x plus negative 11x. This will just make it easier to use our integer rule since we're going to have to add all three of these terms. So I'm going to start with 4x plus 2x, which is 6x. I still need to add negative 11x. So the reason that was easier is because they were the same sign, so I could just add and keep the sign. Now here's when our addition rules for integers are a little more complicated. 6x plus negative 11x. The signs are different, so we're going to have to subtract. And then there are more negatives. So 11 minus 6 is going to give us 5. And there are more negatives than there are positives. Now this next example, they're not all like terms, so I thought it would be a good variety to see both. So here we do have subtraction in two places, so we'll need to rewrite both of them. So this will become 3m plus 8, and instead of minus 7m, it'll become plus a negative 7m. And instead of minus 3, we get plus a negative 3. Sorry, that was my cat. Okay. Anyways, so we want to rearrange them so the like terms are beside each other. And since it's all addition, we can rearrange them now. So 3m plus negative 7m plus 8 plus negative 3. So our like terms with the m's, we're going to add first. We have 3 plus negative 7, different signs, subtract, more negatives, so negative 4m, plus we have 8 plus negative 3. The signs are different, we'll subtract, and there are more